Now I'm going to use this amazing beef bone broth to make a wonderful little sauce. Now this stuff is so versatile and so convenient, you can use it straight out of the bottle. And I'm going to reduce it down to make an amazing sauce with some onions, a little bit of wine to go with roast beef and Yorkshire pudding. So for this dish, I've got my roast beef that's been resting to room temperature. This has just been simply roasted in the oven with a bit of salt on the top. Yorkshire puddings are cooking in the oven. My carrots are simply cooked, but it's all about the sauce for this. And this is where we want Bullshot beef bone broth, which is so versatile and so unique, this makes the most amazing sauce to go with our beef. To start off, we want to dice up the onions, fry it off with a little bit of oil. Don't use butter for this, otherwise it's going to burn. Add a little bit of red wine and reduce that down. Once that's reduced down by half, add the bone broth to it and reduce it down again. This is going to take about 5 to 8 minutes with a little knob of butter into it, salt and pepper, and once you get that lovely velvety sauce texture, then just serve it with the Yorkshire pudding, the beef and the carrots on the side.